Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel! So, as a lot of you might have seen on my Instagram, I have had the humongous honor of being hired by the Danish department of Warner Brothers and Cinemaxx to be Harley Quinn at the Birds of Prey Harley Quinn Gala-premiere. Yes, and it's today! I am so pumped. My butt just woke me up 2 hours earlier than planned. But I'm okay. I guess it was a good thing. I've been allowed to take 3 people with me, so of course my girlfriend is going with me, and 2 of my close friends, so super excited you'll see them later. I think I should eat some breakfast. What do you have to say to your defense? So, the makeup's done. I'm really not sure about the lashes though. They kind of bug me a bit. They're a bit more dramatic, but I'm kind of living for it, so I think I'm gonna keep them on. Anyways, I just finished my makeup. You might be noticing I'm not wearing lipstick. I will not be wearing lipstick before because I'm gonna meet up with my friends and we're gonna have some dinner before the premiere, so I don't want to risk smudging it basically. Well, my nails are done, my makeup's almost done, and we are leaving. We are ready and we put on makeup and we are leaving. We're leaving half an hour earlier to get some snacks. Yeah. Ooh. We just missed the train. Yay. You're beautiful. You're a model. You look like Linda Evangelista. Oh my god, hi! So the girls are here and we're going in to see the movie soon. I just have to change. I'm gonna change. Are we ready? Yeah. Who's that there?
Who is that?
Wow! Wow!
Birds of Prey and the fantabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn.
We just finished up the movie and it was great!
It was so good!
It was so good! But like, it was everything that we needed from Suicide Squad, but didn't get. Well, we're still alive though. So I just got home. Literally just walked up the stairs. It's time to remove the makeup and get to bed. I think it was great. I really do. Like, I was very skeptical with Suicide Squad. So, and it's not just like the adrenaline running. I think it was generally good.
It was really like action-packed and still really funny.
Yeah, I laughed during the action. I
Yeah.
really do that. Like, it was funny when she broke legs. And she did that a lot.
Yeah, that was like a running theme.
Yeah, and there was some animation in it that I really was well done and I really liked it. And the experience was amazing.
It was. They were so sweet in the cinema.
Yeah, they were like...
really got everything.
I'm getting cramps in my hand. Anyways, the movie was great. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
So it was just been so exciting of a day, and I'm so glad I had that experience. So thank you so much to Cinemaxx and to Warner Bros. The Danish department of Warner Bros. For having me. Like, it was such an amazing experience, and yes, that it was crazy. Like, thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope like you have been hyped up for Birds of Prey, or if you're watching this a long time after the premiere and everything, thank you so much for watching it still. Don't forget to give this video a like if you like it, or if you like Birds of Prey. And subscribe to my channel for more content, both Birds of Prey and not Birds of Prey, just cosplay channel in general. So, bye.